How important are your vocals to you? You might want to hear this one. Check out how slim this speaker is. Look at that. This is the PRO-CF8.2SLN Neo. It's an ultra slim, high efficiency 8-inch Pro audio speaker, built specifically for motorcycles and tight installations, featuring that carbon fiber cone you see right there. It has that edge treated surround, so it makes this speaker water resistant, and it also delivers loud and crystal clear vocals that will cut through the wind and the road noise. Perfect for bike fairings, for slim doors, pods, or pretty much anywhere you put it. So if space is limited, the PRO-CF8 Slim is the one you need. But enough talk. Well, how is it built? Let's grab it again. Let me show you. You got a steel basket, a slim Neo motor. Look at that. Which makes this speaker 2.8 inches depth right there. You got the carbon fiber cone, spade terminals. You got 200 watts RMS with a 95 dBs. A frequency response from the 80 hertz to the 5 kilohertz on a 1-inch voice coil. Too much tech. Let's put this baby to work. Everything's connected, phone, song picked out, and let's start off with a... This is a 10% volume. dBs, so it's very sensitive. Here comes the drop. Nice, loud, crystal clear, the DS18 way. You wanna be loud? Prove it to me. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.